Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. At the onset, wish you all a very happy new year 2019. Today I will be unboxing a new phone purchased as an anniversary gift for my wife. So let's start with the review of Realme 2 Pro, which I got it from Flipkart during the big shopping days. As you can see, the packaging by Flipkart is in line with the festive spirit of Deepavali. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is a nice packing. The symbol too resembles the Apple logo and is quite similar to how Apple phones are packed. Now other than the box, there is this bubble wrap inside to prevent any damage to the phone, and there is this bill. Now let's open this box and see the contents. So inside the box there is a booklet and the phone. And the charger. So this is a normal USB 2C charger along with an adapter. And this is a case which is provided free of cost and is included in the box. This is a simple plastic case. As we can see, there is a circle behind, similar to again Apple phones. That circle is an opening for the fingerprint sensor, which is placed behind the phone. This is black phone, as you can see. Other than that, there is this booklet which gives you details about the phone and a quick guide which might come handy for using the phone. So let's switch on the phone. So as you can see, the logo of the company, and it is powered by Android. So it is starting. So this is a Realme. So the phone is quite sleek. It is very thin. So the display is a dewdrop notch display, and it comes in the variant of 8GB, 6GB and 4GB. It has a 16 megapixel front camera and 16 plus 2 megapixel back dual camera. So this comes with a dual camera. It has a 3500 lithium battery, so it means it might easily last for a day. The processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core 2 GHz. So it's an octa-core processor. Then there is a fingerprint sensor, as we had seen earlier, and the cover which comes with it has a opening for the fingerprint sensor. Plus it has a face detect as well. Plus One important thing is that it has a triple slot, so you can insert dual 4G sims plus a memory card. All in all, is a good budget phone. For the price that you pay for this phone, getting a dewdrop notch display and a 8 GB 128 GB variant is quite good. The display is a 6.3-inch Full HD display, and on Flipkart you also get a buyback offer in case you are interested for that. The charger is a 5 volt 2 ampere charger, and as you can see, Realme is a company by Oppo. Realme is a product by Oppo, so you can see the Oppo logo printed behind the charger. The USB is a normal USB. Other than that, there is nothing in the box. So there are no earphones. Usually nowadays the phones do not offer your earphones. So this box packing is quite good. It contained all the booklets and the cover, and the phone was separately packed in this box. So all in all, the packaging is quite good. Also, as you can see here, it's a nano SIM. Both slots have a nano SIM. Plus there is separate memory card space in the phone. So you can have 2 SIMs and 1 memory card. So it has 3 slots in total. Plus it also has a clone feature wherein you can copy the old mobile content to a new mobile. You can read through the steps provided here, and you can easily transfer the contents of your old Android phone to the new Realme phone, which is quite a good thing considering that we have a lot of data in our old Android phones. So it can easily be transferred to the new mobile. All in all, this looks quite a good phone. Hope you liked the unboxing of this phone. Provide your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.